We built an amusement park with all sorts of building toys. This is the Turtle Sea Water Park. Here's a splash zone, and there's a splash zone, and these are all the pool things that you can ride in, and this is the slide. This is the seaside swing, and this is how it works. Woo! And this is another splash zone for that. This is the Lion's Lookout. It's a Ferris wheel. I'm going to explain how it works. So, it's cool.
Where do the people sit?
The people sit right in here. There's 3 of them. This one, and the purple one. There's 2 green and 1 purple. And it's cool. It can go round and round and round and round. And people can actually fit in it if you put an elastic around it. And I like to make it go really fast. Here are the Northern bumper cars. I'm going to tell you how I made them. So you use tiny round Tinker Toys, some tape, and plastic eggs. And we made this little mountain for lots of little polar bears. And these actually make noise if you bang them together, like this. This is the puppet show. It is called The Monster because there's a little monster in the puppet show. Here's the Sky High Tigers, and I'll show you how it works. So you spin it if there's a toy in these little shoes. And there's a tiger. There's 2 tigers. Can you find them? Here's one. Here's the other. If you ever get hungry at the amusement park, just go to the food court. It's right here. So, this is the tea place where you basically get breakfast. And this is treats. Ice cream, some water if you get thirsty, and here's some milk. Here's the owl's nest, and if you can see, look for the owl. He might be somewhere on this, or he might be somewhere here. And it can go up, down. Do you know where the owl is? It's right here. So, it can go up, down. Here's the safari merry-go-round. It can go round, round, and round, and round, and round, and round, and round, and round. And here's the Haunted House of Terror. And there's a little ride in there, and tiny scorpions. And here's the Headless Horseman. Here's the ticket place. If you want to come to this beautiful amusement park, you have to get a ticket from the ticket place. Da, 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 da. Why don't you make one of your own? It's beautiful.